Look at you. You think this is easy. You think you just have to kind of want it. But is it enough? Sacrifice, you don't know what it means. It means you fight to your last breath of air. It means you think about nothing but your goal. It means you give 120%. So, what do you know about sacrifice? You missed again. Too weak, too fat, too thin, too slow. Why don't you quit? Forget about it. You are just not good enough. Until you want it as much as needing to breathe, you will never make it. You think failure is not achieving your goal. Failure is believing you are trying hard enough when you are not giving all you have. Don't ever let anybody tell you you can't do it. It's not about not falling. It's about getting up again. It's about keeping on trying.